a film like Prahar showed me the training of a moral commando and taught me the proper management of time and resources. Two great sessions worth mentioning were of Mrs. Annie Pawar and Dr. Sumitra Shidai, both teaching us one of the very basic things, to maintain our focus by taking care of the values we possess and, of course, our mortal earthly form, our bodies. We have finally succeeded to compile our action plans and are energetically ready to execute them. The USM family has taught me endlessly praiseworthy things like importance of coordination and willingness to do something. Some of my resolutions are strict practice of 5 paths, spending time judiciously by proper use of internet, reading newspapers daily, and so much more. Gratitude can only be expressed by honoring the person whom you want to thank. And to honor all my teachers, Neetu ma'am, sisters, and all the people here at USM, I will strive to stand true to whatever I said here and transform myself. The efforts that we make today and now on will be the insurance of our shining future, and this enriching experience would be very fondly remembered by me. Thank you.
To make this training more effective, we were taken to the slums and to the mall for the exposure. Now, I call upon the stage Aishwarya Darbari of class 12 to share her experience of this exposure.
Exposure to slum and mall. On 16 June 2012, we were given an opportunity for exposure to slum, Nut Colony, and also to shopping mall, Treasure Island. First we reached to Nut Colony, where we met children from 6 to 15 years of age. We had a nice talk with them and came to know about hardships they faced to earn money and noticed that their firm determination, hard work is their biggest strength. Seeing them, those small children, and in them the future of India, I salute them, as their hard work and firm determination will make them shine like stars. It was a deep experience for me. There is change in me, and when I reflected on that, I can say, before going for exposure, I used to complain for petty things and never did my work on my own. Having seen their undying spirit, I portray them as my role models. Then we were taken to mall. No doubt, when I entered the mall, I was very excited and happy. But then, the sad part of the story was, I didn't have any money with me. When I crossed the showrooms of big brands, I was really very greedy. But the faces of those small children were continuously flashing in front of me. I was actually placed in their circumstances and could really understand how they feel when they are deprived of these facilities. If I compare myself with them, I am provided with each and every facility, like studying in such an astounding school, and fortunate enough to be born in such a good family. But then also, I don't take all the advantages of these facilities. And so, I take resolution. I will do well in my academics by employing all my privileges in right direction. I will value money and will save rupees 50 per week from my pocket money for a generous contribution. I will not waste time and prepare an effective timetable. Thus, I conclude by saying that facing reality was not so easy for me that day. The hardships they face have taken me miles away. I now have found out to whom I belong, but I promise I won't be there for long. Thank you.
every step towards excellence deserves admiration. I would thus request our Honorable Chief Guest, Professor B.Y. Lalita Amba, to perform the honors of giving away the certificates of participation.
Aishwarya Darbari, Kritika Handu, Anumekha Srivastava, Anshita Goswami, Aarti Gupta, Sidra Ahmed, Alak Kumar, Sita Tripathi, Yashvi Agrawal, Prerna Sharma, Aroma Grace, Sandy Bhutani, Anushka Yadav, Vidushi Bharadwaj, Sonakshi Arora. Thank you, ma'am, for doing the honors. Now I invite Mr. Anil Bhandari to give the rest of the certificates. Maria Ali, Khatija Rahman, Ritika Bhattacharya, Suhana Srivastava, Varda Khan, Abhika Jaiswal, Vaishnavi Sharma, Munzila Risdi, Anam Fatima, Vijeta Srivastava, Shaurya Dubey, Srishti Sahu, Aditi Sharma, Vandita Singh, Gauri Keshavani, Divyanshi Agrawal, Shambhavi Srivastava, and we have our two committed teachers who came along with our children. So I call upon our teachers, Mrs. Mary Samuel and Mrs. Sachi Kosla.
We are very proud to have you with us. Thank you so much for being here with us.
In order to improve us on the intellectual front, the USM conducted a quiz competition. The winner of this competition is Gauri Kesarvani of class 10. I request our guest of honor, Mr. Anil Bhandari, to please come upon the stage and give away the certificate.
Now comes the most awaited event of our graduation ceremony, the disclosure of the Best Participant Award. As striving tirelessly to achieve perfection, it definitely wins acclaim. I would request Ma'am Neetu to do the honors of presenting the Best Participant Certificate.
हम किसी एक को चुनते हैं बेस्ट पार्टिसिपेंट अवार्ड के लिए, और ये जो चुनाव किया जाता है
ये केवल इस बात से नहीं किया जाता कि इन्होंने कितनी अच्छी तरह से अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट किए हैं, साथ इसी के वो तो हम देखते ही हैं, उसके साथ साथ हम ये भी देखते हैं कितना डिसिप्लिन में है ये बच्चे, क्लास में किस तरह से भाग लेते हैं, अपने साथियों के साथ किस तरह से व्यवहार करते हैं, कितना कम्युनिटी सर्विस होते हैं, मतलब